Okay, hopefully by now, you guys have gotten a whole bunch of small little cards. There's probably about like 15 or 20 of them. And what I'm asking for you guys to do is similar to the function activity. This is a card sort activity again, in which I'm going to be asking you guys to try to take each of these 20 graphs, similar to what F is. You can just pick up F right now. And what I'm going to ask you guys to do is to try to tape it to the right domain and range. So like here, in your notes, you guys see how like there's all these domain ranges, and if it's a function or not, cards here are sections that you can easily tape it to. So what I'm going to ask you guys to do, there's lots of ways for you guys to do this, but one way that you can is to first look at each card and first determine if it's a function or not. So looking at this one right here, is this a function? Is this a function? And it looks like it's not because it doesn't pass the vertical line test, so it's not a function. Okay, it's not a function. Now I want to identify the domain. Well, let's see where the x's start. Looks like the x's start right here. I'll choose a different color because that one's kind of blackish. So we're going to start here at -2, and it looks like it keeps going on and on forever that way because the arrows keep on pointing this way. So what I'm going to say about the domain is that x is greater than or equal to 0. Okay, because all the values look like they're bigger than 0. Now range. Let's deal with range. Well, looks like it's going up in the air still. It looks like it's going down forever. So what I'm going to say about the range is that this one's going to be all reals, or all numbers. Okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to look at my notes in my sheet. I'm going to look at 1. Does that fill up 2? Does it look similar? No. 3? No. I'm going to look for the no functions because that's going to help me out. Now, there is one that kind of aligns, and it looks like number 7. If I look at my notes, number 7 aligns with this. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take this card and paste it, tape it right here. So hopefully each pair has a tape that you can use. Let's do one more. Let's look at M. If you guys can grab graph M. So is this a function? Yes, it is a function. Now domain. Looks like it's going forever and ever in both ways. So what I'm going to say is that the domain is all reals. It's all x values. The range looks like it's going up and down forever. So that one is all reals. Okay? So now I'm going to look at my piece of paper in my notes and try to figure out the one that matches up with it. And what it looks like is it's number 9 because it says all reals, and it's yes, a function. So I'm going to ask you guys to do is with the rest of the cards, I'm going to ask you guys to do that. Just tape them down. Try to look at each card. Try to figure out what the domain and range is, if it's a function or not. And then tape down the ones that match up. And hopefully this helps you guys. And I will talk to you guys later.